If you are born poor in Britain, you will stay poor. Basically, government policy has engendered the idea that if you have money, you will increase your money. If you have very little money, you will stay like that.
1 in 4 of the poor in Europe is British. They are the victims of an economic model which doesn't work. On the 17th floor of the Brooks Tower,
Self for your love! Kill himself for your love! in the sky, to sky to a man that the love has died. Drones in the sky, all I see is drones in the sky. Drones in the sky, and they burn down in my skies. Will you hold me forever? Down for your love. In the sour blood, down for your love. For a light is bread, through the mouths of fed. Would you even think about love and what's next? Who you love? Who you love? For the Toronto when the trains go, are you passing overhead?